In this video tutorial, we're gonna learn how to use circle command in AutoCAD. Let's start. Press C, enter C in command bar for circle, or you can choose from tool panel. So there's a circle of 50 radius, or you can check. You can change the value of radius from the quick property bar. Now you can choose circle command from tool panel. So there is 6 types of circle we have. 6 type of circle command we have. The first one is center radius. In center radius, you just have to enter the value of radius, or in center diameter, you have to enter the value of diameter of the circle. So just pick the center point and then enter the value. So this is my diameter, 400 diameter circle. Now next one is 2 point. Circle command, you just have to pick 2 points of any object. These 2 points can be random. So I am drawing 2 lines random of random length. So these are my 2 lines. So I am going to select the start or end point of these lines. So first select the 2 point and then click on view. So this is my circle. So now for 3 point circle command, you just have to pick 3 point on viewport of any object. So now I am selecting 3 point of these lines, first, second, and now third point. It will create a circle which is connecting 3 lines. All the 3 points are on the circumference of circle. So now next one is 10-10 radius. Basically 10-10 radius stand for tangent radius. So I need 2 lines. This is my first line and this is my second line. Now select 10-10 radius. Now click on the line at any point. As my tangent on the circle. Now enter the value of radius. Now I am taking 50 radius circle. So this is the circle of 50 radius. Now you can see. So now the next one is 10-10-10. So the 10-10-10 is stand for tangent. For 10-10-10, I am making a triangle of any length. So this is the option 10-10-10. Just select the option, then click on the lines anywhere. It will automatically create the circle which is inscribed in a triangle.